Flag domination.
Yeah.
Oh, I love being this. Oh wait, this right side of the exit.
Guy who really likes flag domination. Yeah, I'm into F-Dom. Yeah.
I'm just rolling my eyes at all this.
Why are you rolling your eyes? This happens every time the map is played.
Yeah, it's almost like you guys are always like this.
Oh, you're not like this. You're gonna act like you're better than all of us.
Yes.
Oh fuck, I'm civilian.
We're not mush.
How does it feel to be
We're gonna
British?
fucking die.
Blood on my suit.
Yeah?
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
Hello.
Alvin, why are you on procs?
I don't know, because I wanted to annoy the civilian.
Mission begins in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How come you're abusing the silence gun?
Fuck him up, Joe.
This looks very different.
There's a spy around here. Careful, Bobby.
Our control point.
Get him!
Time has been added.
This looks better immediately to me, but I don't know if it actually is.
Let's go.
He made them up, I think it's fair.
I mean, it probably shouldn't design.
Don't be so far ahead.
That's right, I think he's testing the sightline to see how bad it is because he designed it.
Man.
You know, like, sort of like a playtest?
What?
The map developer is abusing their own map term.
What the actual fuck?
Why is your fucking
Leo,
civilian
now's not the
all
time to be AFK, bud. Or just... Why is the prop misplaced? Oh, I see what you mean. That must be a thing that Voodoo didn't fix when he was, like, editing the map earlier today.
There's planters in our base, guys, and he's killing us. Planters like the proverbial pigeon that knocks over the chest.
Alright, sandwich, fuck him up. Your time to time.
Yeah, this feels much better. I don't know what changed, but this feels much better than the last time I.
It's long. The middle is longer.
Let's go.
Mid.
We've got the initiative.
Mid is long.
Fuck him up, Joe. Fuck him up.
And wider.
Alright. I'm going in.
I also feel like the entrance to the base on one of the sides is much more. It's still kind of a closed-off hallway, but it's much nicer.
That was quick.
I really like the conveyors.
Yes, sweet.
What is happening?
You know, we literally have your top scorer more. We have more than the square of your top scoring.
Teams are being scrambled.
Incredible. Civvy, God bless. Yeah, this zone right here specifically. I like this spot much better.
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
And yeah, I am enjoying the conveyors better.
Huh?
I also felt like the points were a bit too parallel in the first. But now that they got some more diagonal distance.
Mission begins in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
Oh, this is such a devious sentry spot. Fuck him up.
Alert! The control point is being captured. Time has been added.
Flanders.
They all converged onto that.
They have a telly and a sentry there.
I see.
No, I'm gonna fucking.
Thanks, mate.
I wonder how the conveyor belt texture like is like if the conveyor use like a custom
Heavy ahead.
Tibia.
Yeah, no, but it's moving, so I assume it's like an anime texture.
Piece of piss.
There's Flanders in our base for some reason.
These.
Behind us, medic.
You should just get a sample at this point, Trey.
What is that sentry
did
spot?
I'm goaded with the sentry spots. You
That's evil.
the sentry.
And honestly, not enough people just break the maybe because maybe people don't realize they can.
Uh-oh.
I can very much get a sense.
Let's go, Banu.
No. Gentlemen, this never happened.
Work.
Never mind, Banu. Don't go there.
That was not medicine sandwich.
So, how does the rejuvenator bubble interact with the conveyor belt? Because I didn't mean to throw it onto it. I just happened to stand on top of the conveyor belt when I had to panic pop. It was just gone.
I think it sticks.
Yeah, so I assume it just kind of bounced off.
Time has been added.
It's like sticky.
Hope our vehicles.
Nice.
I don't think that console is using boost my uber boat rate is like the optimal thing here.
That's one hell of a sentry spot right there.
Thank you,
Time
thank you.
has been added.
Evil and fucked up.
Oh, this is a lock.
Double, bubble, toil, and trouble.
Like, runway.
That's zero
It's no
mid-fight.
longer a void.
Essential. Do something wrong.
Oh, I just snapped my fucking neck real hard. Oh.
GG.
Oh.
What? I love my snaps.
Alert. Our control point is being captured.
I don't think he can survive the next snapping.
Time has been added.
I feel like no matter how much I have my head on a swivel, the one spot I don't check
Oh, that's a sentry.
damage I look at the
Always the fight that gets
I will be summoned from the earth like a skeleton.
Jesus, that thing always has more range than I think it does. No, the AA. They're going to the right.
And that's kind of its thing though, isn't it? It's not better than its stock at close or long range. It's like right at like the edge of where mid-range goes into long range. It's really strong.
Alert. The control point is being contested. Time has been added.
Right behind you, medic.
Oh god, they're coming this way.
Oh my god, there's 2 spies on me! Oh!
Oh, let's
I
fucking
did,
go.
but it directed me straight to the sentry gun. It was that or nothing.
Oh, this video needs to count.
You can sidestep the crates, you're big enough to... Although the play doesn't work as well if there's a... What I see...
Time has been added.
Holy shit!
Ow.
Heavy med left. Oh, they popped the bubble.
There is a heavy behind me. Still a heavy behind me.
Alert. The control point is being captured.
Oh my god, Comet.
What happened?
Comet got hit all the right keys on the quick time event.
Time has been added.
Damn.
He WM1'd me, he air blasted me, like he air blasted right as I was shooting a pill at him, and then he hit a fucking flare on me. While I was at the other side of the room.
Still behind us.
Spy on point. Watch out, Civ. I told y'all to watch out.
Alert. Our control point is being captured. Yes, that's it.
Fucking ban heavy players.
Shens. With all due
Come
respect.
on, dude, I can't even like properly exit my base.
Shens.
Yes.
Shens. With all due respect, you shut up, man.
Let me have this one.
I mean, Joe's a heavy player.
I'll let you
Not
have
him.
so much, Shens. Too much, arguably.
2 hours a week.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh my god, bruh.
Don't ever try to stand close to your teammates to get them to stop.
2 hours. Shens, it is constant from you.
I do not think we bought enough body bags.
Who knows anymore?
Yeah, they're probably gonna pass
Time
that.
has been added.
Medic, what the fuck?
Heavy!
That was awful. That was a mine layer trap that killed both blue medics.
I pride myself on my mine traps.
That's fucked up.
Alright, we got this.
Oh, fucked up.
Come on,
We're
come
gonna
on,
have
let's
to
go.
defend.
Come on.
There's a spy behind
Oh
us.
my god, never mind.
I saw ya.
Good. Spy behind!
Alert. The control point is being contested. Time has been added.
All the
Is there any way to avoid
Oh, I mean,
VIP
it's
somebody?
VIP race, and the teams are pretty balanced.
There you go! Ripper, you little!
Time has been added.
Ignore them, switch up.
Oh my god, a fucking Uber and crits. Christ alive.
Oh god,
on the
civilian
conveyor.
is going into the
That's
point.
what it takes.
Alert.
They're coming to last.
Control point is being contested.
Meet me here!
Remember to ride the...
Helterus! What?
Thank you.
What?
Oh, the nails! Oh my goodness. I went up to the sandwich. The nails were too much.
Two heavies,
Son of
two
a-
medics. Two heavies, two medics, one with an Uber, one with the fucking crits. Good lord.
Oh my god, they very much
And it
do
still
have a
wasn't
Kelly
enough.
spawn. Where the hell?
How was it not enough?
Yeah, it took a bubble and a crit simultaneously.
Time has been added.
Right. Also doesn't really feel like there's two pathways like there is.
Round point.
Captured. Time has been added.
Holy, I have 6 dominations and we're still not winning. I don't think I've ever dominated this many people as civilian.
Civilian on the right with 2 heavies.
Hard.
Yeah, you can't just say the word hard. It's like, hard. That's too hard. No, there's nothing sus about saying hard. Okay. It's just a word.
This has been going a while and guys. Oh my goodness. Capturing them. So we keep getting minutes added. Like any other stalemate on Two Bridge or Drizzle.
Feels like I'm stuck in purgatory. It just never ends.
Honestly, I love it.
Yeah.
Time has been added.
It is easier for a camel to get through the eye of an eagle than civilian to get to the final point.
For real.
True.
Oh, their civ is going back.
Okay, I destroyed the nest.
Oh, okay.
No, you didn't.
What the? This took 1,000,000 damage.
Not the insta kill.
Wasn't
We need an engineer
I just took like
to,
197 damage, and then I had 3. Go on.
to make the nailgun scout die.
I like this bit much better.
I like this. I like
just
this
think
better.
the issue is the second cap.
I like this bit more.
Alert! The control point is being captured.
I don't think
but
mid is
it's
the reason
like,
why
at
it's
least
stalemating. I'm
mid
pretty
is
sure
like-
that all the stalematiness comes
Stuff's happening there now.
second point. Pushing into it really difficult.
Well, like the last game I played on this, mid just did not change hands at all. So this is very different. I feel like there's a lot more back
There's
and
just the
forth.
one cap and that's it.
Our heavy is injured. Oh. Heavy!
actually going on forever.
I don't even want to cap again because I'd rather just go into sudden death.
Speed on!
Oh no! Gentlemen, this never happened.
Like, let's
Would
just defend
say
our point for a
maybe
minute and then
cap
just
the
let this
time.
go into sudden death.
Holy.
Alert. The control point is being contested.
They're going. They're alright.
Power behind me.
It just keeps going.
Just don't let them cap, and we won't cap, and then we can go into sudden death and it can all be over.
No, come on, Civ, we gotta go cap the point.
No, please.
And this is the last map, do not RTV.
No, don't RTV, just don't cap. Just sudden death, because sudden death is a superior life form game mode.
Mission ends in 30 seconds. Good.
Yeah, both Civs dead, only 20 seconds left? To get to the point, it's not gonna happen. Actually, they do get a little bit of overtime.
3, 2,
a little bit.
1.
Yes! Oh, here we go. Finally.
Everyone go to the right. Don't bother going anywhere else. Go to the right.
Don't get this
Go to
medal.
the
Don't get this
right.
medal.
We go to the left.
Just time.
It's not as bad as 5 CP. I think he's gonna die.
Oh, let's fuck.
Yeah. Just be more afraid.
I'm just glad it's over.
I think we're gonna be sick.